I've had a very eventful life. I've had some serious downs and I've had some serious ups. I don't think there's been much in between. I may have upset some people have upset me, but you know what? I can't change any of that. I'm Frank.
Carol Nash Insurance sponsors Motogp on BT Sport.
We should have a great qualifying session on our hands.
Jorge Martin, it means business this weekend.
Martin is fastest on the second of the Pramac bike. We're tucked in with El Diablo himself. Maverick Vinales, he wants this one. 0.2 of a second quicker for Maverick Vinales. Watch out for Jack Miller though. Out of the final corner. Miller up into fourth.
Zarco using the rear of that bike to steer through those fast corners.
Zarco from nowhere has plucked pole position. It could be 1-2 for Pramac. Here comes the rookie Jorge Martin. What's he got across the line? He goes. Yes! Martin, a 153.1. I don't believe it. And it's a rookie on pole position.
Absolutely sensational.
So we talk quite a lot about tyres at the moment. It's good for the championship in terms of it bunches everyone up, but it's also certainly frustrating for a manufacturer when their bike just doesn't work with the tyres that Michelin bring to a circuit. So I can see and understand the frustrations in the KTM camp and from Honda here at this circuit.
And you always get that split generally with the tyre, don't you? You get one manufacturer it's not getting a lot
to the ground, how much tyre they use and how much fuel they consume, that's always a consideration for them as well.
And how wily is this man got to be?
He'll be looking to repeat that performance of last week. He surprised us all because we are always sometimes critical of Maverick whenever he shows speed and then doesn't translate that into a performance.
In Texas, anyone? Casey Stoner here in 2006. Lorenzo and Biaggi did it on their debuts, but Tony Rutter was another name I found who'd done it on their second race, a 1975 500cc TT. Sadly, we lost him last year, but fantastic company for Martin to keep. Alongside Zarco and Vinales on that front row, there is Maverick. Can he do it again? Miller, Quartararo, Bagnaia, a strong second row. Aleix Espargaro, best grid for Aprilia here in Losail. Stefan Bradley is the top Honda there in 11th place, alongside the best KTM of Miguel Oliveira. And as we go through the order to see Enea Bastianini, who was best rookie in the race last week. Seconds off, Espargaro actually, who's up there in third place from Miguel Oliveira.